Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is process validation with specific focus on edge of failure. Aaron Snyder here for Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to get all the good content. Check out the status bar below for our agenda, and then make sure you stick around to the end for the 3 bonus questions. Our topic, edge of failure, is used to fulfill some of the requirements for process validation, which come directly from 1345 section 7.5.6 and 820.75. Edge of failure in 5 words. Process parameters create bad product. In the previous 2 videos, we discussed the proven acceptable range and the nominal operating range. When we are looking for both the PAR and the NOR respectively, it sometimes makes sense to investigate edge of failure for our process. Edge of failure is that point at where a process parameter starts to create bad product. That point could be at a high setting, and it also may be on the low setting. And the whole thought process is that we continually increase the process parameter until we start to create non-conforming product. At that point, we've identified edge of failure. It's not always a good idea to look for edge of failure, because sometimes if you keep increasing the temperature on, say, an injection mold or an extrusion process, it may damage the equipment. Vice versa, if you continue to decrease the temperature on an injection mold or an extrusion piece of equipment, it may damage the piece of equipment or get to a point to where the equipment is not operational. So we explore edge of failure where it makes sense. And this is a combination of the process itself, the equipment, and the actual product. It can be very, very helpful to explore and understand edge of failure, just like it's helpful to understand the proven acceptable range, the PAR, and the nominal operating range, the NOR. So how do I know this is working? Well, first, if my procedure requires me to capture edge of failure, I complete edge of failure testing during my process development activities. Second, my procedure gives me flexibility to capture edge of failure where it makes sense. And then third, where I actually do the edge of failure testing, I capture that data and I include it in my validation package. How do I know this is not working? Well, first, my procedure requires me to do edge of failure testing, and I don't do it. Second, I do some edge of failure testing, but I don't capture the data, I don't document, I don't include it in my validation package. And then finally, I just ignore any sort of testing that shows that bad product is produced. I don't capture that data, I don't document it, and I just move on with my validation. And now for those 3 bonus questions. First, during process development, do we analyze edge of failure and capture that data as part of the validation package? Second, if yes, is that requirement captured in our procedure? And then finally, do we also analyze the proven acceptable range and the nominal operating range when we do the process development activities? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Send any questions to me at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained, making quality systems simple for you.